Do you believe that with just a few lines of AI prompts, you could create a digital product that sells hundreds of times on Etsy without any design skills at all? Thousands of people are doing it right now, using simple coloring pages to earn passive income. And the best part? You can do it too. But before we jump into the how-to, let's take a moment to understand why coloring pages are such a great product in the first place. Coloring pages are in demand all year round. They're used by parents, teachers, kids, and even adults for stress relief and mindfulness. You create them once and sell them over and over again without having to print or ship anything. That's the beauty of digital downloads and the definition of passive income. Sounds awesome, right? Now let me show you exactly how to create these using AI, step by step. Step 1. Let ChatGPT do the thinking. Ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me 10 unique coloring book themes that are popular with kids or adults." It'll instantly give you ideas like cute animals, mandalas, holiday themes, or positive affirmations. Step 2. Let ChatGPT write the image prompts. Next, ask, "Write a MidJourney or DALL-E prompt for a cute line art of a baby panda for a coloring page." And just like that, you've got the exact prompt ready to go. Step 3. Generate your artwork with AI. Now head over to DALL-E or MidJourney, paste in the prompt, and let the AI generate beautiful black and white illustrations. Make sure to use words like line art, black and white, or simple outline to keep the style coloring book friendly. Step 4. Build your product in Canva. Take those images, drop them into Canva, arrange them on a clean A4 page, maybe add a title or page numbers, and then export as PDF. In just 15 to 20 minutes, you have a full printable coloring book ready to sell. Okay, if you want to know more details about selling on Etsy, check out my next videos. In addition, I have a specialized Etsy course on School, including knowledge about Etsy and a community of experienced sellers. Click the link below to learn more. If this video is helpful, like and subscribe.